So let us derive refraction through prism, okay? So this is the derivation for class 12 CBSE, and even for class 12 PUC also this derivation can be used. So let's first draw a prism like this. Let's name the prism here as A, B, C. Let us strike a incident ray here, from here, and then again here, because it's a different medium, right? So it's going to bend towards the normal and you're going to get it like this. So can I name the ray as P, Q, R and S? Got it? It's a pretty simple thing. Then what do you do is you extend a normal from here. You're going to draw like this. And then again here. Now same thing let us repeat above also. Now let us name this one as M and this one as N. You know this ray which you're seeing here, this is angle of incidence. And this one which you're seeing right here, this one is R1, this one is R2, and this one is E. Okay, I hope it is clear for you guys. This is R2 and this is E, and that's it. Okay, so you got this much. Now let us start writing things. So a ray PQ is incident on the surface of prism AB, and it is refracted towards the base BC. Write this much. Now let us start with these things. First let us see in triangle QNR. So this is the triangle we are talking about. In this you can see R1, R2 is there, and then QNR is there. So the same thing we're going to just write. We're going to write here as angle R1 plus angle R2 plus angle QNR. So you can see sum of all the triangles will be equal to 180 degree. That's it, simple. Here R1, R2 and QNR we have just added. Now let us take a quadrilateral. What quadrilateral will take? AQNR. AQNR, the whole thing we are going to take. So can I tell angle A will come plus angle QNR will come. Now angle A, it will come with 90 degree, and even angle QNR will come with the 90 degree. This quadrilateral, sum of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. So can I tell this is 90. Can I tell 90 plus 90, 180, 360 minus 180 is nothing but 180. So angle plus QNR equal to 180 degree. Now let us do one thing. This is second equation, we'll keep it, and this as first equation. Now let us equate 1 and 2. So can I tell R1 plus R2 plus QNR plus angle A plus angle QNR. Okay, can I cancel QNR and QNR? So I'm gonna get what? I'm gonna get angle A. I'm gonna equate it, right? So I have to put equal sign. So angle A is equal to R1 plus R2. So we are gonna get angle A is equal to R1 plus R2. Now we are gonna use the deviation symbol. Now deviation is, here you can see all the angles you have drawn. Now just draw a slight deviation here. Okay, deviation, angle I, E, R1 and R2, refractions. And you know what, to not get confused, even in the exam hall, just write this one. I is equal to angle of incidence, and R1 is nothing but refraction through refraction 1. R2 is nothing but refraction 2. So you can write these things. Now let's come back to the here. So you can take delta is equal to I minus R1 plus E minus R2. So can I write this as I plus E plus R1, this becomes minus R1 plus R2. So we got this formula, right? Now once we get this, what is the next thing we need to do? We know R1 plus R2 is nothing but here angle r1 plus angle r2. So here you can just take root on both the sides and you're gonna get simply r1 plus r2. So just write a minus I plus e. Let this equation be third one. Now when delta is at minimum, when delta is minimum, right, r1 plus r1 will be equal to r2. That will be equal to r. So you can see r plus r a is there, right? So this equation we are gonna be using it in substitute in third equation. What will you be getting the answer as? R plus r is equal to a. So can I tell 2r is equal to a? R will be equal to a by 2. So you will get this one answer. So you can see the whole thing, it's written here. You can take a screenshot or something, or you could have noted down, because I have still few more steps. Okay, I hope you have noted it down. So let me just erase above and then write the values. So let me just erase it here itself. Now once you get this much answer, you're gonna take another I. So now we saw if it is r equal to this thing. Now if you see another, when delta becomes minimum, I will be equal to r. I will be equal to e. You took e, right? Sorry. So we know I plus e equal to delta m plus a. Here I plus I will be equal to delta m plus a. So delta m will be equal to what? 2i is equal to delta m plus a. So I is equal to delta m plus a divided by 2. Now let us use Snell's law. Snell's law is sin I upon sin r. Sin I is nothing but, we just saw it, is delta m plus a upon 2. Sin r is nothing but, what is r? A by 2. So hence proved. This is the answer.